Understanding World Premiere, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, world premiere. This is a term you might encounter in the world of entertainment, arts, and news. Let's dive in and understand what it means and how you can use it in your conversations. World premiere refers to the first public performance or showing of a work, such as a movie, play, concert, or art exhibition, to a global audience. The key elements here are: first, it's the very first time the work is shown. Public performance, it's available for the general public to see or experience. Global audience, it is intended for people around the world, not just a local or national audience. The term, world premiere, is significant because it indicates a major milestone for creators, artists, and performers. It often comes with high publicity and media attention. It marks the official release of creative work to the public. Let's see how world premiere is used in sentences. The world premiere of the new Marvel movie drew huge crowds. The composer was nervous on the night of her symphony's world premiere. Critics are eagerly awaiting the world premiere of the Broadway play. There are similar phrases worth knowing. National premiere, the first showing in a specific country. Regional premiere, the first showing in a particular region or area. We hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and usage of world premiere. This phrase is a window into the exciting world of art and entertainment and is a useful addition to your English vocabulary. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.